my wasabis, this is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. In today's video, I will share with you what's inside a Young Living Premium Starter Kit, or what they call the PSK. So if this is something that you'd want to see, please keep watching. Okay, so in your Premium Starter Kit, it normally comes with this oil set plus your diffuser of choice. The basic set is this one, your Premium Starter Kit, plus a Dew Drop diffuser. That is about $175, including international shipping. If you want other diffusers, you may add a couple of dollars to get probably the Rainstone diffuser or the Aria diffuser. But for this set, I will just show you what's inside the oil kit. Okay, so it comes in this very sturdy packaging for the things that should be included in the box. And then it opens up like this. And you will see your 10 oils at the topmost layer. So this set is actually the version 2. You have your Vitality oils. The Vitality line is what they say that you can ingest, but I personally do not promote ingestion as of the moment because I'm still taking my Certified Aromatherapist course. And until then, that's when I know if I would really want to recommend ingestion or not. But for now, I'm really not into ingestion because I feel that I'm not capable of advising that to anyone. By the way, you can only do ingestion if it is recommended by a certified aromatherapist or a medical practitioner. So if you've seen recipes online telling you to drink or put a drop of oil in your water or put a drop of oil in your coffee or in your tea, please don't do that. There are studies that has shown that there are medical complications in your internal organs when you do that. So I highly don't recommend ingestion. Here, for the Vitality line, you have peppermint, you have thieves, one of their best sellers as well. You have digize or digize. This is great for any digestive problems or any stomach aches. You use this. You can also use this for acid reflux. And then there's copaiba. This is something that would enhance the effects of your other blend, so it's a magnifying oil. And then you have lemon, which is a great detoxifying oil. Okay, and then at the bottom you can see here is the traditionally labeled Young Living oils. It used to be like this before until they released the Vitality line, which had the predominantly white labels. So under here you can see there's Panaway, so it's great for muscle aches, any body sores or body pains. You have Raven, great for respiratory issues. You have Citrus Fresh. This is great to, make your air smell fresher. It invigorates you in the morning. It perks you up in the morning. You have Frankincense, which is a great oil for your skin and for your body. I love using this because it's very effective in removing your pimple marks or your sunspots. This is a great oil. And lavender is one of the favorites of many people because it's great for calming, soothing. It's great to help you sleep. So there you go. So this is what's included on the top layer. And then just remove the entire tray. At the bottom, you can actually see the rest of the package. So in here is your 11th oil, which is Stress Away. Stress Away is one of their best sellers. Apart from this kit, you can't really buy Stress Away individually in this size. You have to buy it at 15 ml. So this is a good oil for sleeping, plus your lavender. Everybody falls asleep with that. You have your Thieves Cleaner. This replaced the sample sachets that used to be in the old PSK. So now they give out the Thieves Cleaner, which is one of their best sellers. It's great toxic chemical free ingredient that you can use and just dilute it in for example, a glass sprayer bottle. Para siyang Joy in simple terms. You just put it sa maybe a glass of water, dilute it there, and you can use it to clean most surfaces. Pwede sa kanya. And then you have your Ningxia Red, which tastes amazing according to my sister kasi na-try na niya to. I haven't really tried this. This is a great antioxidant. If you know acai berry, it's something like that. It's actually wolf berries or goji berries. The Chinese would normally know this. I've taken goji berries since I was young, but this is actually a liquefied and drinkable form. So masarap daw siya. You should try it. And then you have your Aroma Glide Fitment, which is my favorite, to instantly turn any 5, 10, 15 ml essential oil bottle into a roller bottle. So yan. let's just put it back. So down here, you have your YL cards that you can give away to your friends. Before, nung wala pa itong thieves, it used to carry sample sachets of oils na you can put in here and give away to your friends. So now, I think they know na people don't really use those sachets. I'm not sure. I haven't really used mine. I just gave it away. They replace it with the thieves cleaner. So basically, that's what's inside your premium starter kit, which you buy for $175. And the kit contains 11 very versatile oils. This kit can last you for about 6 months to a year. Now, if you get it through the link that I will put below in my description box, you actually receive this Essential Oils Pocket Reference Book. It's a 400-page ring-bounded book. This is worth about $30. That's about 1,500 pesos if you buy it off from Amazon and then import it here. But I give this out for free for all of you who would want to get your PSK through the link that I have put below in the description box. So everybody who orders through that link is qualified or is eligible to receive this. This is a personal gift from me. What I love about this book is that it carries all the Young Living oils single. So parang if you're not into Young Living, this is also helpful kasi nandyan lahat ng single oils. If you want to search about frankincense, it's here. If you want to search about cassia, carrot seed, it's here. And it also contains all the Young Living blends. So nandito yung Panaway, nandito yung Raven, all the Young Living blends, nandito siya, and its description and what's inside the blend. Plus, you can also search for example, health condition. If you want to check, okay, what oil can I use for example, depression or insomnia, or for example, let's search for despair. Yan, may despair. Diphtheria, it's all here. So this is a very useful book. The book is segregated per oil, per blend, and per health condition or health issue. It also contains recipes, and other Young Living members usually buy this separately, but for me, for my group, I give this away for free. As you may know, I normally host a lot of giveaways for my friends, for my members, for my followers, so don't forget to follow Happy Oiler PH on Instagram because I give away a lot of free oils, a lot of free accessories that you can just enjoy. You know, it's just making the most out of your Young Living kit. It's making the most out of your $175. I am also currently training to be a certified aromatherapist. I'm taking my course from New York Institute of Aromatic Studies. So I have already enrolled my level 1, and I'm also planning to take French aromatherapy. So anything about ingestion in time is something that I would specialize on. So if you get your kit from the link below, you will be sure that I can guide you all throughout your journey. I can give you all the benefits, the maximum benefits that you will get, and you will just enjoy. Aside from that, I normally hold my monthly workshops, which you can join and enjoy more benefits. In my last 2 workshops, I have given away so many things that most of my members really raved about. Like, I gave away a waterless diffuser, I gave away a lot of oils. So why not spend the same amount of money but get all these freebies all your entire life, right? On top of that, I have also started doing my online EO 101. I normally enjoy my EO 101 because it gives me an avenue to be interactive with my members and to be interactive with anyone who's interested in oiling. And what's great in that is every time I hold my EO 101 online, every time you join, you get a chance to win more oils. So it's just so many freebies that you can earn. And what's great about this is that I'm online most of the time, so you can get in touch with me anytime through Twitter, through Instagram, through Facebook, or you can use the hashtag AskJirbie. So AskJirbie is actually live on Twitter and on Instagram. Just post all your oily questions and I check them every day and I answer to them. And once all these AskJirbie questions are, enough for me to hold another session, I will also pick my free oil winners from those who have used AskJirbie hashtag. So if you are my member, it's great that you can join all these freebies, you can join all these activities, and you can be guided thoroughly and you can be guided safely and responsibly. If you want to know more about oiling, I will be uploading my last 2 EO 101 webinar sessions maybe in the coming weeks, so you can get back to that. and I've answered all the questions of all my attendees. If you have other questions about Young Living or about oiling, don't forget to shoot me up an email or shoot me up a message through Twitter, through Instagram, or maybe post anything and use hashtag AskJirbie. And I will be there to answer all your questions. So I guess that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this on your Facebook wall, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!